Airdrop can make you financially free. If you participated in SODI airdrop, you might have received 100 to 1k dollars. Me, I received 2,000 SODIs valued at over $900. Are you still considering the potential of airdrops to change your financial situation? If you missed out on over $900 in the SODI airdrop, here's another airdrop that can make you over 1k dollars. Before we dive in, if you are yet to join our Telegram channel, then you are missing a lot. Use the link in the description to join our Telegram channel for more updates. Don't miss Addex airdrop. This airdrop can make you over $1,000 if you do it the right way. In this video, I will take you through the steps on how to participate in this airdrop. It is a Telegram bot airdrop, but don't tell me it is a scam, because I have done my research and I know a lot of people who benefited from this airdrop. Requirements: 1. You need a Telegram account, and 2. A Phantom wallet. If you don't have Phantom wallet, you can download it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Now, to participate, you just have to click the link in the description of this video. If you click the link in the description of this video, it will bring you to this bot. Now click start. Select your country's language. If it is not this language, then you select English. Now you are done. If you want more information about this Addex, you click information. If you want to check your balance, you click this button. I have 824 Addex. Now click output. You can get your Phantom wallet app, Solar Coin. Let me show you how to do it. This is my Phantom wallet app. I'll click it and I'll click this button and copy. Now I'll come back to this place and paste, and I send. Now action completed. If you click next, you see the minimum withdrawal is 2,300 Addex. I don't have it right now, so for me to increase my earning, I will invite my friends. Now you can copy this code and invite your friends, and once they start this airdrop, you will earn more Addex coin. And once you reach 2,200 Addex, you can withdraw it to your Phantom wallet. Good luck. I have many legit, free and easy airdrops posted in our Telegram channel, so don't forget to join us. The link is in the description of this video. For now, good luck, goodbye. Of course, if you have a question, you drop it in the comment box.